Okay, this time let us look at water. So, what is the formula of water? You know that water has the formula H2O. That means you have 2 hydrogen atoms for each oxygen atom. So if you remember, we can draw your hydrogen atom this way. So you have 2 of them. And we can draw your oxygen atom this way. Remember, we said we said that each hydrogen atom needs 1 electron to become stable, and the oxygen atom needs 2 electrons to become stable. So what happens here is that this hydrogen will share this electron with oxygen. This other hydrogen will also share its electron with oxygen, and oxygen now, all right, will share each of its electrons with hydrogen, and we come up with a structure like this. So notice now that this hydrogen atom has 2 electrons, this hydrogen atom has 2 electrons, and this oxygen atom now has 8 electrons. So in the end, all the 3 atoms become stable, and we can show that through an example by way of the model. So these are your 2 hydrogen atoms which need 1 electron each to become stable. This is your oxygen atom which needs 2 electrons to become stable, and when they combine, we come up with a structure like this one. All right, so if we were to redraw that, you have your hydrogen with a single bond to oxygen and another single bond with another hydrogen atom. And this is where the formula H2O is coming from, right? That's for water. Okay, so now let us look at one more example. All right, let us look at nitrogen. Okay, again, if you look at your periodic table, okay, nitrogen, all right, you have N714. Nitrogen has the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So it has 5 valence electrons. How many electrons does it need to become stable? It needs 3. So if I were to draw this nitrogen atom, I will only show you the valence electrons now. So I will have nitrogen here with 3 electrons. And the other nitrogen atom will be right here with another 3 electrons. How can they share electrons so that at the end, both of them will become stable? So they will each be sharing 3 pairs of electrons, so that now these electrons become part of this nitrogen atom. These electrons become part of the other nitrogen atom. So notice that this nitrogen will have 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons. This nitrogen atom will also have 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons. So both of them will become stable. If we were to redraw this structure, it will be an N triple bond N, showing that they are sharing 3 pairs of electrons. So we have right here 3 pairs of covalent bonds. And we call this your triple bond, right? So to summarize, atoms share electrons to become stable. That is how we form our covalent compounds. And this sharing of electrons can either be 1 pair, 2 pairs, or 3 pairs of electrons, depending on the needs of the atoms. Okay, I will post here and let us do some more examples.